Welcome guys to another product review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Steeda S550 replacement clutch spring. This is going to fix that vague disconnected clutch feel for any 2015 and up Mustang GT owners. I've been having a hard time getting to know this clutch, and I did a little bit more research, and it comes to find out the assist clutch spring for these cars, they tend to be very disconnected. So when you push it, you never get to learn the where the biting point is, because it's just not friendly. Like, it's very hard to get used to it. This product right here is by Steeda. This is the part number, but I will include the link where I got this from on the description below. So this installation is very simple to do. It takes about maybe 5 minutes. Obviously it's going to take a little longer because I'm trying to show you guys how to install it and what my impressions are for this modification. Let's take the product out of the bag. It comes in this clear bag. It comes with nice instructions of what to do. You're going to need vice grips in order to grab the spring out of the clutch. I mean, it takes 5 minutes, so you can just follow the instructions if you want, or you can just follow this video. This is the spring right here. This is gonna make this clutch pedal feel much easier, less guessing when it comes to pedal feel. So let's get underneath there. So here we are underneath the clutch pedal assembly. As you can see, that's the assisting spring right there for the clutch. All you have to do is just press the clutch in and slide the bottom portion of it out of the pin, and it just slides right out. So I'm gonna do it right in camera so you can see what I'm doing. You can also get a flathead and just push it out of the way, like I am right now. That was easy. Just make sure you press that pedal all the way down and this thing just will fall out. So this is how the stock assembly is. So just make sure you take this top bar out, just like that. Remove the stock spring. Take your Steeda spring, put it back in there, and just put the top cover on, and it's ready to be installed. So let's get this installed into the car. Alright, first impressions. Let's test this out. Wow. Oh my god. That should have been like that from stock. Wow, what a big difference. Oh man, I know I'm gonna enjoy this now. Unbelievable. I haven't even driven the car and I know it's gonna be amazing. So what it feels like, the clutch is more linear. It feels more consistent. Like, once it gets to the top, it doesn't like push you out or anything like that. It's just very nice and smooth. Oh man, I can't wait to test this out. Alright guys, I just came back from a ride. I drove about 10 miles just now. The clutch feels so much better. Like, releasing the clutch just enough to where the car starts moving. It no longer pushes me away from the clutch. Now I can actually control it nice and smooth, so I get a very smooth start, and it's awesome. Oh my god. So basically this part, it's less than $25. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can actually get it. I'd highly recommend it. It's such an amazing mod. Steeda actually sells the spring with the assembly. That's about $100, but I don't think you need the entire thing. So the only thing I got was the spring, and you can reuse the stock mounting
little housing or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you can, you only need that, and you don't need to spend $100 to get this mod. You can spend less than 25 bucks just for the spring, and it's just enough for this. So I absolutely love it now. That was one of my biggest complaints about the Mustang. Just the release point of the clutch was just too random. I couldn't get it right, and every start or every so often I would get a very harsh start, from stop signs or a red light or whatever. So I highly recommend it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like things like this, make sure you hit the thumbs up. That way I know that you enjoy videos like this. You don't have to be a Honda or Integra owner and to enjoy content like this. If you're a Mustang owner, I'm sure you enjoy things like this as well. But thank you so much for watching again, and until the next one, peace.